Hi, and welcome everyone at Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you learn, grow, and share. Today, we will look into yet another interesting playlist Career Conversations and Navigating Success, which will deep dive into the fascinating world of career. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get notification of insight contents, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Welcome to Career Conversations Navigating Success, where we embark on an insightful journey through the multifaceted world of professional growth and development. In this engaging playlist, we dwell into a diverse range of topics, right from effective networking and personal branding to mastering interviews and achieving work life balance. My aim is to equip you with the knowledge, tools, and inspirations needed to excel in your career. Whether you are a recent graduate stepping into the job market, or a seasoned professional looking to climb the corporate ladder, or an entrepreneur forging your path, our discussion provides valuable insights and practical advice. Join with me as we explore the art of setting goals, overcome challenges, and honing the skills that make successful careers. Let's navigate the road to success together, one conversation at a time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to explore the playlist Career Conversations and Navigating Success for all your queries, tips, and tricks related to careers. Click the like button and subscribe for more such insightful contents and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching for the stars. Thank you.